Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically move emails to folders in Gmail in this full 2026 guide. If your inbox feels messy, this little automation will help you stay organized without doing anything manually. First, choose the folder or label that you want your emails to go into. If you need a new one, just create it from the Labels section. Then click the gear icon in the top right and choose See All Settings. Go to the tab called Filters and Blocked Addresses. Click. Create a new filter. Here you can choose the sender, the subject, or keywords, anything you want Gmail to track automatically. If you want messages from a specific person moved, type their email into the From box, or use a keyword if you want to group certain topics. Click Create Filter, then check the option that says Apply the label. Choose the folder you want. If you don't want those emails staying in your inbox, check the box that says Skip the Inbox. You can also apply the rule to older emails by ticking Also Apply Filter to matching conversations. Then click Create Filter to save everything. From now on, Gmail will automatically move matching emails right into your folder. And that's it. Your Gmail stays organized without you lifting a finger.